Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting clean and ready. Wash your hands and dry them so you won't transfer oils to the patch. Once done, inspect the patch, check adhesive edges and packaging date, and confirm left versus right if labeled. Position a mirror and set a timer for your recommended wear time. Make sure any glasses are off and hair is secured away from the eye. These steps reduce irritation and ensure the patch will stick properly when you place it over the eye. You remove the backing carefully, avoiding contact with the sticky side, and keep the adhesive clean. Then, close the eye gently and place the patch centered over the eyelid so it fully covers the eye without pressing on the eyeball. Press the adhesive down for about 10 to 15 seconds, smoothing edges outward to seal. Once applied, open your other eye and check comfort and peripheral vision. If it feels tight, peel and reapply slightly differently until it sits without pain. When it's time to remove the patch, do so slowly from the outer corner to minimize skin stress. Discard single-use patches. If you plan repeated use, give the skin a break and inspect for redness. If you feel burning, excessive tearing, or blurred vision, stop immediately. Rinse the eye with clean water or saline and contact your clinician. For minor adhesive discomfort, using a barrier like a small hypoallergenic tape next time can help. Finally, store
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.